Stop paying agencies and start creating viral UGC ads yourself, for free. Today, we're diving into the game-changing world of AI-powered user-generated content ads, and the best part, we're doing it all with absolutely no cost. First up, let's craft a compelling script. You don't need to be a master storyteller. We'll leverage free AI text generation tools. Simply input a few keywords about your product or service, and the AI can brainstorm catchy hooks, engaging dialogue, and clear calls to action. Next, we need that authentic human touch for our voiceover. Many free AI voice generators offer incredibly realistic and natural-sounding options. You can choose different tones and accents to perfectly match your brand's identity, making your ad feel genuinely relatable. Now for the visual magic. Free AI video editing tools are revolutionizing content creation. Upload your footage and let the AI help with everything from cutting to the beat, adding dynamic text overlays that pop, to even suggesting the best clips to highlight your product's benefits. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips. By combining the power of AI for scripting, voiceovers, and editing, you can generate authentic, engaging UGC ads that resonate with your audience and drive results, all without spending a dime. Unleash your creativity and watch your engagement soar.